Artemis meets her cat, part 2. Airplane to China.
Give me some Skittles, Artemis. Who's outside of the bathroom? Ling Ling. Hey, why are you naked outside of the bathroom, Ling Ling? What? Go change. Change your... Please.
And the 1, and the 2, and the 3, and the 4, and the 5, and the 6, and the 7, and the 8. Mommy, love me more than little brother.
Don't sing that song! Good night, Coach. Oh no. Listen, Ling Ling. Is Clara, Mark, and Isaiah? Is Isaiah your boy or cousin or streetlight boy? It's whether only a lobster could love, but sadly, there will be no lobster fest. This reporter get this bib off. Oh. New Pepper and Mac. What's wrong with it? No, new reporter. No, what? Antlion to snarl, and then we are bad. It's a Glamity bib. It's a lobster fest. No more lobster fest. It's poison lollipop. Ling Ling was, I felt a shower because they're getting out. What? Antlion now. Okay, Ling Ling. Oh! Okay, you're naked now. And his firing Nerf gun, and now a laundry dildo fancy equal in My Chemical Romance. This is a darnest forever. He's gonna fight now. Shoot! I know. Why is the laundry dildo? My armpits are sweaty. I'm probably. Oh my God! It's a laundry berg. Out on you, little. It had a dirty laundry dildo. Dirty laundry. It is going to be observed. A fancy lady probably has to be the cup. On Saturday, we go home. Oh no! Gio! No! Why? Because the giant antlion is being angry. Why is the antlion? You do. What's wrong with Artemis now? Why? You just have a break. Don't break the window. Zachary Mormon is Attica. Why? Antlion. Hey, Antlion. Yeah, Antlion. Yeah, Antlion. Zachary Mormon has one button. He has Zachary Mormon. Mew, Mac, and Pepper has a lobster fest. It has a lobster fest. Despicable me. When you listen to your song in haiku car,